Have you ever thought about making a photo and then when you go on the internet, maybe on 500px, on Pinterest, to look for some inspo, you don't find anything, not even remotely close to it? I might have a solution for that. So follow me on today's video. So today we're going to talk about AI, specifically Midjourney. So Midjourney, it's an application that lets you create images based from text. And while this might sound all easy, there's a learning curve because you have to learn how to speak or how to write to the AI so it gives you the images that you want. If you want to use Midjourney, you need a Discord account. Once you make the Discord account, you just go on Midjourney, you can just Google search, and then once you go into Midjourney, it's gonna ask you to sign up, and instead of signing up with like a whole new account, you can just go and do it with your Discord account. So after you log in into your Midjourney, you can just go now back to your Discord account, and then there is where you will be using your Midjourney. There's a limited amount of stuff that you can do in the free version of Midjourney, but this is just enough to get you started to see if it's something that you would like to add to your workflow. If you're really interested in dominating Midjourney, I recommend you looking into the frequently asked questions, as they do have a lot of useful information in how to use Midjourney properly. The first thing I did with my Midjourney, and I'm gonna read it out of my screen because I don't remember what I wrote exactly. So the first prompt I wrote was rum in a very classy setting with a gentleman pouring into a fine glass. It's a close-up and the tones are warm. This was wrong. As I said, there's a learning curve, and then when I said gentleman and I said close up, I only wanted like the hand of the gentleman pouring the drink, not the whole gentleman. So in the screen you can see that it actually gave me like gentleman, and that's not what I wanted. So then again, I'm gonna read from my screen. I wrote rum in a very classy setting with a hand pouring into a fine glass. It's a close up, the tones are warm. And yeah, I got it. Those were the images I was looking for. So let's talk a little bit about what you're seeing on the screen right now. So you can see the U1, U2, U3, and U4. They represent upscale. So if you press any of those representing the image that you like, it will upscale that one. So if you like the first image, just press U1 and it will upscale that one in a 1000 by 1000 pixel kind of size. I don't remember exactly the size. So the V stands for variation. So if you see something that you like and you would like Midjourney to actually explore this a little bit more, you should just tell it version 3, version 2, or version 1, or version 4, the one you like the most, and it will make variations based on that version. You have this little, I don't know, infinite kind of repeat button. So what this will do is that it will like run the prompt again and try to give you different images. But honestly, if you're not getting what you're looking for, you should just actually change your prompt. Instead of like actually telling it like to rerun it, just rewrite a little bit better, see what is it that you don't like, and make sure you just eliminate that phrase out of your. I noticed that there's two images that I really liked. There was the green one that you can see now on my screen, and there's this one that is a little bit warmer. This one with the green bottle was like my favorite, but honestly it was not realistic. Why? Because honestly, what is making that shot look that great is the simple fact that honestly the bottle is green and then everything else is warm, so it's like, yeah, it's gonna work. But my bottle was not that color in any particular way, so I saved it. I gave the variations a try, but I was sure that that wasn't going to be the route that I was going to take. So I took the next variation that I like a lot, which is this one, and I did some variations to see which one did I like the most. I stayed with this one because I knew that I had the props to make it happen. Since this was me trying something out, I was going to do it at home. I built this setup in my dining room, as you can see in these images, and then I just took like a blanket that I had, used it as a background, and then just tried to make the images. These are the images that I made inspired from that prompt that actually gave me the image that I had in my mind. So I want you guys to look at this image and comment underneath on the comment and let me know if I failed miserably or did I do a good job with these images. So So the conclusion for this video is really, we are content creators, we are photographers, we're cinematographers. There's a lot of things that we do, but if we can get a little bit extra help to do it better, why not? I mean, if you have an idea and you want to make it happen and you just don't find any inspiration on the internet, or you have a very clear idea that you can explain in text, this is a very nice way to start your idea the right way. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI content related stuff. So thank you guys for staying till the end, and make sure you tune in the next video. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one. I'm still here. I'm just gonna turn off the camera. Bye.